We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a drum and a Brother L2305. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the door here and pull this guy out. This is going to be your drum unit. You are going to press the green thing right here and pull your toner unit out. Go ahead and get your new drum and put your old toner or possibly new one in there. This machine takes a DR630, so you're going to go ahead and stick that back in there. Once it clicks, you know it's in there. Go ahead and leave the cover open. Press the OK button and hold it down. And then you'll see drum unit. You hit OK, and then you can hit up to reset or down to exit. So go ahead and hit the up button. It says it has accepted, so now it should reset my drum. Alright, now it's initializing. If you're in need of any quotes or supplies, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.